Hello everyone, this is Dave. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for making a base multicolored bubble wrap wreath using 6-inch Deco mesh. So our materials list is a wire wreath frame, a ruler, cutting mat, scissors, pipe cleaners, and of course 6-inch Deco mesh. I'm using 3 different colors, 6 rolls in total. And a little Wreath 101. So we have a 14-inch wire wreath frame. This has 4 wires that go all the way around the entire frame and crossbars that split up this wreath into 6 different sections. Today we're going to use the inner 2 wires. So just a little close up, those 2 inside wires is what we're going to use today. And there's your Wreath 101 for this project. And we're off. We have our wire frame, we have our 3 different colors of the Deco mesh. I'm grabbing my cutting mat to use as a measuring device, Chenille stems that I have cut in half already off to the side, and the first thing I'm going to do is create an anchor on those 2 wires and that crossbar. So grab that Chenille stem or pipe cleaner, and then I'm going to grab and unroll a little bit of my Deco mesh. So today I'm doing a multicolored Deco mesh, bubble style, with 3 different colors. And I just place each Deco mesh on top of each other, so it's 3 in total. I have a blue, a white, and a yellow, and I am going to create my start off, so my anchor. And all you do is just squish that Deco mesh together. It has a little bit of a tail, such that it doesn't go anywhere. And we're going to attach it to those 2 wires and that crossbar. Take the Chenille stem, fold it in half, feed it through the top portion and the bottom opening, such that the crossbar, the 2 wires, and the Deco mesh are all within that Chenille stem. Then once that happens, just give it some twists and get it nice and secured. And when we flip it over, we give it a little tug, it's not going anywhere. Now, let's get started with our bubbles. I usually do my bubbles at 8 inches on a 14-inch wreath. You're more than welcome to try 6 or 10 or 7 or 9. There's no rule set in stone. I like to do mine at 8 inches, and that's where we're going to start today. So we just measure out that 8 inches, bring that towards your frame where the 2 wires are in the middle. We're going to put that down, hold it into place, grab that Chenille stem, and then feed it through the top and bottom openings, flip over your wire frame, and then give it a couple of good twists here, and make it nice and secured. So when you flip it over, you can kind of see how our bubbles are going to form. Let's do a second one together. So we're going to measure that 8 inches, bundle that up, bring it right to the frame such that it's on the 2 inside wires, the Chenille stem in your hand, feeding it through that top and bottom opening, flip over, grab the stem, and give it a nice good twist again. When we flip it over again, we can push it together, and then we can see how our beautiful bubbles are forming here. For this, I like to fan out my bubbles just so that you can see all the different colors. I usually do it with varying colors. So here, yellow's at the bottom, and now it's on the inside with yellow, white in the middle, and blue on the outside. It's totally up to you how you want to display your colors. I wanted my colors to be kind of all over the place, so that's what I did for this wreath. So how about we do a third? Third time's the charm, right? We measure out that 8 inches. We bring it towards the frame. Grab that Chenille stem, feed it through. So we have the 2 wires on the inside and the Deco mesh within that pipe cleaner or Chenille stem. Flip it over and another bubble is formed. Spreading it out, then we can see all the different colors. And now you see how everything's starting to take shape. And I'm just going to continue on going with this same thing, doing the 8 inches and unruffling them at the same time. Same procedure over and over again. And in between each section, I did 6 bubbles. And then you'll see in a moment, right when I come to another crossbar, I'm going to do another anchor. So it's basically exactly the same as I did the first time around. So you grab that 8 inches, you bring it to the crossbar and the 2 wires, take that chenille stem, feed it through the top and the bottom, such that when you flip it over, you can see I'm attaching to that crossbar, creating another anchor. So I like to do that. So what I'll do is I'll create an anchor like I did just here. I'll do 6 bubbles, create another anchor, 6 bubbles, create another anchor, such that every 7th bubble, it's nice and secured. So here you see I'm just moving along. I'm doing the same procedure all the way till the end. It gets a little squishy at the end. You just kind of move things around just so you can get your hands in there and get everything organized and attached. And really, that's the base of it all. I just kind of spread it out and I cut off the excess at the back just to clean it up a bit. If you want, you can do that, or you can just wrap the excess around the wires, or like some people do, you can attach felt to the back just to finish it off. And again, this is me just turning it over, opening up those little bubbles, getting the colors to show, those beautiful blue, yellow, and white. I just love this color combination. Of course, you can use any color combination, any number of colors together. You can use all the same color if you want. That's the beauty part of this base bubble wreath. You can do so many different things with it. So I'm happy with how it's all turned out. I just chop off the excess. I'm going to feed that tail through the back so we don't see it at the front. Flip it over, give it a nice good fluff up, make sure everything is beautiful and perfect. But there you have it. There is your base, multicolored, 6-inch Deco mesh wreath that you can use for any occasion, be it Christmas, Easter, Halloween, but there's the base wreath for you to decorate and do whatever you want with it. Thank you so much for watching me today. I hope you give this a try and I hope you like it. And if you do, hit that like button. Maybe give me a comment down below and let me know what you're going to make. Thank you again. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.